Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Yarbo Snow Blower module. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to everything will be in the video description. First things first, what we have to do is we have to remove the Yarbo Smart Assist module. There's going to be a button that you'll press down here to release, and this will come off, and then we'll have to disconnect a wire, and that will be fully removed so we can start the process of installing the blower. Press, it releases, it comes right off, and then we have our cable here, which has this blue cap right there. So basically what you do is you just twist, and then the whole thing will just gently pull off, revealing the cable, and now we can take our module and remove it. But there's that lever underneath. Just press that button to remove this, disconnect the cable, and there we go. And here's a look inside with what we're working with. Next, on the blower itself, we have a cover that we need to remove right here with your Allen key number 2. So we'll have to remove this bolt and then pull the cover. Cover comes right off. Now we're going to line these two next to each other to make prep work to connect the cable. Also at this stage, we're going to go ahead, we're going to remove this before installation. Now we're going to line it up to connect our cable. Press in till you hear that snap and it clicks in place. Now we're going to go ahead and put our cover back on. Now we have 4 metal shafts that we need to line up with our snow blower and then gently press in place until we hear them click. Just like that, it snapped right in place. Try to give you that close up to see how it clips right in, and then we got our release levers right there. Next, you need to locate this hardware kit with our connection bolts. It's the 4 bolts that you see right here in the bag, and we're going to use those to attach the chute. We have a yellow arrow here and a yellow arrow here. So we're going to align those arrows, and we have 4 holes now aligned that we can thread in place with our connection bolts. There's the bolts. So the other side of that bag said snowshoe connection bolts. And then your plume diverter bolts are in a separate bag within the bag. These get the Allen key labeled 1. And again, we have multiple holes here. It's going to be the smaller 4 holes where these are going to drop down in place and attach. Now it's time to install the snow plume diverter. Arrow to arrow. That'll line up with the 2 screw holes right there. So we'll set that in place, and then you're going to use the plume diverter connection bolts and drop those right in. These bolts are a little bit larger. They're going to use Allen key number 2. Next, locate this cable, and we need to loosen the top nut right here to thread it through here. And we'll tighten that back down in place, making sure it's pretty snug. Now on the side right here, we need to loosen this bolt, and we'll take this bolt out. And then we're going to thread it through the end right here, and then we're going to press this down and put the bolt back in place. And to tighten that bolt down, you can use the Allen key number 4. So it should look something like this. And that's it. Now we have the snowblower module successfully installed. Take a look at that.